This is my 9-year-old family PC and it can play Battle Royale with these specs. Now I'm gonna show you how in this video. First, performance mode. This will help us use DirectX 11, which as you can see this is a very iGPU, not really a supporter for DirectX 12, so we rather use DirectX 11. Legacy performance mode, full screen, 720p. Turn off VSync, we'll move low distance, low textures, apply keep to changes. Now we're going to do argument command line on it. You have to click on these three dots, manage, and then launch options. And once launch options this, and then enter the following. There's no texture stream and use all and save proper. No texture streaming will prevent any high resources textures into the memory, so you get a better more memory into the ROM. Just as it says, use all available proofs. So we click enter and we can close out of that. Next, we can go for local app data. Windows R and local app data. Find Fortnite game, save, config, Windows client, and game user engine. Game users now we can look for a few settings that will help us. Disable motion blur and show grass is false. Make sure this is false. If you want any grass from showing the game, and just turn down DesiredGlobalIllumination to 0, reflection to 0, PreNanite and PreNaniteReflectionQuality to 0, RayTracing to false. Disable mouse acceleration, disable bSync, disable dynamic resolution. Keep these, make sure to have 720p. I'm using 720p, you can use 1080p. 1920 by 1080p. Audio quality level, this could be 0. Make sure to change the last confirm to. And here, turn all this to 0. And the view distance to 1, which will make this from low to medium. I'll change this quality to 85%. 85, which is 576p. So my game will be running on 576. Now I can change slow if I wanted to. Prefer is DirectX 11, which is what we want, and preferred feature level is ES31, which is performance mode. For the config file, now do virtual ROM, which will help us extend our ROM if we have an overload on memory. So go view advanced system settings. In the performance section, click settings, click advanced, virtual memory here, change, and then you see all this ones. You'll see all these here. Change the C drive and the game location drives page file. I have this to 8192, which is 8 gigabytes. Now it's more standard to put 16 gigabytes, so to make it 16 gigabytes, you just put 104 into 16, which is this value right here. You copy this, first uncheck this part, click custom size, enter this without the comma, click set, storage, custom size, and this is back set. You need to have now 16 GB of storage, RAM, extra RAM from the SSD, from the hard drive. Now here, go to boot, pick the operating, the one with as current OS and default OS, click on advanced options, click on the number of processes to 4, click OK, put the timer to 10 if it's a SSD. If it's a hard drive, then make sure if it's 30 or higher maybe, but for SSD you can make it 10. Go to services, click uncheck all Microsoft services and continue on these. I recommend disabling your browser's update server, it's not required, same as for, and you can take maybe any other. Keep anything that's your processor or GPU related. I have Intel here, so all my Intel will be checked on, but anything else can be removed, like easy anti-cheat on Epic Games. It should only be started while playing the game, so that's one good thing. So I click apply, click OK, view it. Let's do some settings improvement. Go to gaming, disable game bar and enable game mode. Next, let's head to the Fortnite game. Your Fortnite game folder, where your installation folder. Go to Fortnite games, binaries, Win64, and scroll down to get these three. Now you have to pick the one as Fortnite client and Win64 shipping. Right click properties, compatibility, and see a full screen optimization, and click to change high DPI behavior and click override. apply it. Okay, then copy this directory and go to settings, graphics settings, and over here click browse, and in this directory paste your directory here, click enter, and back here click the Fortnite icon and add, click options, high performance.